Hi, I'm Mary Nelson. I'm a statistician at Eli Lilly and Company, and I'm a co-lead of the Safety Analytics Working Group, along with Greg Ball from Merck. I'd like to take a moment and describe the working group so you can decide whether or not you're interested in joining our group and whether you would like to participate in some of our breakout sessions at the symposium. The Safety Analytics Working Group is a collaboration that works to improve the content and implementation of clinical trial safety analyses for medical research. The idea is this will lead to better data interpretations and also increased efficiency. As background, the Safety Analytics Working Group started in June of 2020. However, a lot of safety analytics work occurred before that, mostly as part of the previous working group called Standard Analyses and Code Sharing. So if you're interested in knowing what our group is involved with, you can go and look at some of our past deliverables, either as part of the newly created Safety Analytics Group or part of the Standard Analyses and Code Sharing Working Group. So to find those deliverables, you can go to PHUSE.global and then click on deliverables, and then you can filter on the working group of safety analytics and standard analyses and code sharing. When you do that, you'll see a lot of deliverables related to safety. For example, in 2013 and 15, we created white papers providing recommendations for analyses and displays for labs, vitals, and ECGs. In 2017, we created a white paper on recommendations for adverse event data. And in 2018, there's a white paper with recommendations for demographics, disposition, and medications. So the safety analytics work aims to continue a lot of this work. And one of our deliverables since the last symposium is a white paper called Analysis and Displays Associated with Safety Topics of Interest. And this white paper provides recommendations for adverse event data when it becomes a topic of interest. So it is a follow-on paper to the 2017 AE white paper. We also have another deliverable about ready to be final and might be final by the symposium, and it's a white paper related to data listings and clinical study reports. Right now, our Safety Analytics Working Group has 5 ongoing projects. Listings for CSRs, which is about done. We have hepatotoxicity analyses and displays, lab analyses and displays, which is to take shared learning and provide updated recommendation on lab-related analyses. We also have a project on adverse event collection and treatment emergent definition. And both of those projects aim to reduce the variability that we see across the industry with respect to collection and treatment emergent definition. For all of these project teams, other than the listings project, we do plan to have breakout sessions for each of these. So each of the projects will have a breakout session, and the project leads will be able to provide an update on the status and also to gather a lot of feedback. We also have time to gather additional feedback on what the Safety Analytics Working Group will be working on in the future. There are all sorts of ideas. We'd like to gather ideas and start making decisions of what we might want to work on next. We hope to see you at some of our breakout sessions at the symposium. Thank you.